This video shows you how to clean the fan of the Bionaire BSF 1731 RC pedestal fan. I found that over time, as I'd used this for many years, a lot of dust would build up inside the fan assembly. And then what happens is eventually you try to turn it on and it's sluggish. It won't move. You have to prompt it along and then it finally moves. But it's mainly because dust and everything gets gunked up in there. So in this video, I'm just going through to show you how to take it apart, how to open it up to clean it. The primary purpose of this video is to show you how to take apart the top grill assembly of this Bionaire fan. And then once it's apart, to clean it all out. Now, I'm taking this video after I have cleaned mine, so rest assured it was covered with dust and grime that accumulated over many years. So what I did initially is once I took it apart, I took a vacuum cleaner and vacuumed out all the top dust and grime that I could get. And then I took a damp paper towel and then I cleaned out the grill very carefully. Now, I removed the fan, and some of that dust was really ground in. So what I did is put it in a sink, scrubbed it out, and some of it was hard to get off, so I used Dawn dish detergent and actually scrubbed the fan so it was nice and shiny and sparkling and brand new. So from here forward, I'll show you how to take apart the grill and access all the parts that you need to clean. To clean the fan, you don't really need to take this back piece off that has the electronics, but in my case, I did take it off because there was dust accumulating in the inside, and I want to make sure everything is clean and nothing obstructed the fan. So you'll notice at the very back, there is a little hole there, and you just need to take a screwdriver and put that in there and unscrew the screw that's in there. You'll find that the screw that's in there is this little one right here. And once you unscrew that, then you just pull this off, and you'll be able to see the whole assembly at that point. And so what I wanted to do was take a vacuum cleaner and just kind of clean all that out of there, just so that there was no dust in there, nothing that would obstruct the blade or mess with the electronics. You can see some dust build up here. There was a lot more, and I'm just going to finish off that before I put mine back together. Okay, the first thing that you have to do is to remove this dark blue bracket that holds these two white parts together. So we're going to do that, and the way that you do that is you just search towards the bottom. You'll see this little screw down in this section that holds this dark blue bracket together. So basically you're just going to take a screwdriver and then you're just going to unscrew that. And once you unscrew that, this gap here will widen up, and then the whole bracket on here will just come off. So it just takes that one screw there to do it. Once you've taken the bracket off the sides of the fan, the front will just actually snap out. Now what you'll notice is there are these little slots at the top and on the corners. There's 4 slots. And on the cage itself, you'll see these little slots there. And they just simply snap into there. So you take your cage with the Bionaire name right up front, and then you just simply lift it off. To remove the fan, you just have to unscrew this front piece, and then the fan will lift off. Now normally you would think to tighten something, you would turn it clockwise, and to take it off, you would do it counterclockwise. But in the case of the fans, because of the way it's spinning, you do exactly the opposite. So to take it off, instead of doing it counterclockwise, you do it clockwise. And then to tighten it, you would do it counterclockwise. Now, when you first take it off, if it's all gunked up, it might be a little tight. So what I did is I took one of these little rubber holders and I just put it on and tightened it or loosened it that way. So again, to take this off, we're going to do exactly the opposite of what we would think, and that is to turn it clockwise. When I turn it clockwise, you'll see this piece will eventually just come right off like that. And then at that point, you can just grab the fan here and you can lift it right off. Now you'll see to put it back on, there's a little bar there. And inside of the fan, you can see it there, there's a kind of line that bar goes through. So to put it back on, you're going to just align it and turn it until you hear the bar go through. It clicks on. Now again, you're going to put the cap on, but you're going to do it exactly the opposite of what you would think, which would normally go clockwise. But in this case, I'm going to go counterclockwise. And then you'll see that'll go on. And then I give it a little extra tightening with this, and I'm good to go. At this point, you can just go through the cleaning that we spoke about earlier with the paper towel and scrubbing it with the Dawn detergent, and then give it a test before you put it back together. I've cleaned out mine now, tested it, make sure it's working smooth, and then reassembled it, and it's good to go. I hope this video helped you. Thank you for watching.